scriptures. Today's daily scriptures. It's from Psalms 34:4. Psalm 34:4 reads, I sought the Lord and He answered me. He delivered me from all my fears. We are getting news that the third wave of coronavirus has begun in the UK. But this news only makes us more scared. Scared whether we will also get this virus and infect it to others. At this point, when we shiver with fear, don't forget about God. God is with you. Only after we become afraid do we realize we have nothing to be afraid of because Jesus is with us. Our fear ties us and blinds us. Only after we have become afraid we realize God is with us. This is like blinding us to see the truth. God is with us. So if you have been afraid of this virus these past years, don't ever forget that God is with you. It is natural at times. Our fear blinds us. It's a human's character. We can be assured that God will never abandon us. In the book of Isaiah, here in Isaiah it reads, So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. So how to overcome our fears is the next step we're going to talk about. So when fear blinds us, we should remember and recall that God will never leave us. When we recall and remember God is with us, no need to be afraid. Somehow our fear disappears. But the moment we again think of our fears, fear returns. So from now on, you know what to do. When fear binds you, recall and remember, there is no need to be afraid because God is with you. And don't again think of your fears. If you do think of your fears again, it will be hard to get rid of it a second